Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony Keller here. Another super exciting video to share with you today. I'm actually going to do an in-depth review of just one of the features in this opportunity. You can see I'm on the login screen. The name of this opportunity is the Home Business Academy. Let me go ahead and log in. And it's a little slower when I'm recording, so give it a second. Okay, this is the back office when you log in. You can actually change the settings to where it goes when you log in. I'm on the main page to give you some updates. They have live feeds here, and this is as a community where you can. It's kind of like Facebook. You can post stuff here in the community. These are all the products listed at the top. I just want to go over their flagship product. This is one of their main product when they first started. They added this later. It's a motivational goal oriented product, but I want to go over the funnel builder. And something new they added is they actually have their own in-house autoresponder, which they never had before. So now you don't even need your own third-party autoresponder. But let me go into the funnel builder itself. It has its own separate login. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now this opportunity comes with a turnkey system. I actually made my own page. It's the same page, but they have a turnkey system already done for you if you want to use it. But the funnel builder, you can go to your funnels. There's training on all this when you get in here. Um, you go to add new step, and you hit page. There's already so many pages already created for you. You can just select the page and you can start editing the page. Then you see they have all these different categories for all the different pages they have. And then a lot of different opportunities. They build their pages in here. And then when you join that opportunity, if you're in Home Business Academy, you can actually copy their page. Um, so that's pretty neat. You see there's so many pages that people create, and when you come in here you can make a page and then put it in here, and whenever you have team members in either this opportunity or in any other opportunity, you can share the page with them. So you build the page, but then they get the benefit of using it without them having to build it, which is pretty cool. That's why there's so many pages in here. You can just copy a page and edit, like I said. um, then let's go back over here. I have This is my main page that I created here, but then you can go through and edit. It's pretty simple to edit stuff. It takes a while to get used to how you edit, and then you can switch over here to uh, um like an iPad, and then this is the phone view. Uh, this system has a lot of features. Um, it's pretty simple to use. Like I say, you just got to watch the training on it. There's a lot of training. This is another opportunity I'm using. I actually changed the page. I made it a little different. Just seeing how it opts in better. I changed some of the wording and the color a little bit. Um, but that's and then of course you can buy your. This opportunity has its own domain. Uh, it's called Domain Scout, where you can buy your own domains here. So and then once you buy your domain, you can forward your domain to here, and that way your domain shows up in the browser instead of the long other domain link. So that's pretty cool. And then I added a pop-up in here. You can go through the training. It teaches you how to do that. So whenever they go to exit, that pop-up comes up. So that increases your chances of somebody opting in. But I just wanted to show you this thing is fantastic. Um, there's so many different things you can do in here. You can build all kind of different pages. And another thing I wanted to show you, I've done a lot of different pages. This is my bridge page that I made. I made my own recording, and this is the page I put my contact information down there. And of course, I made it a link to the funnel builder itself if you wanted to purchase the builder. And then of course, I'll hit my link. And this is how it looks to the public here. And then of course, they click this link, they go to the sales page. Or just a little intro video of me. So this thing is pretty cool, and then I'll show you one more I made. Uh, Here's my link tree. There is an actual product out there. It's called the link tree. Um, but I created one in here. It's got my picture. It looks pretty much just like the other link trees. My link to my YouTube. Then I got a couple different opportunities I'm in here, and then of course I put the link for the funnel builder at the bottom. But this is us, so you don't even have to use the other system if you already paying getting this. And this whole system, the funnel builder, is only $25 a month, and it pays 80% commission, so you get 20 bucks every time you refer somebody. And then a lot of people online, they need a good funnel builder, and of course this comes with the autoresponder too built into it. So you're getting a funnel builder, a amazing funnel builder, and a great autoresponder system for just $25 a month. I mean, you can't beat that. That's a fantastic price. So let me back out of here real quick and go back over. I'm gonna show you the emailer. It comes with this, so and you get a real nice emailer here. It's a little slower when I'm recording, but this thing is fantastic. I just sent a broadcast a while ago. It's still there. Um, you can broadcast. It shows all your contacts in here. You can set up your autoresponders. There's all kind of stuff in here that's in your settings. There's training for all this stuff too. And then, of course, if you upgrade to the premium level, you can get the email alchemist. It's the AI. It'll write your email for you. Um, and the premium level has a bunch of AI tools. But I just wanted to go over the emailer because it's included in the funnel builder. This thing is fantastic, and all you got to do is you buy credits, and they're real cheap. I get 15,000 credits for $15, and then it's one credit for every send. So I mean, I've had this for a while. I got a little bit of contact, so it works very good, and like I say, it's a lot cheaper than any other third-party autoresponder, and it's included here. So you wouldn't need another autoresponder unless you already have a big list, and you can connect it here if you want to. But I just wanted to show you this thing is fantastic. It has everything in here, and also when you write an email, it tells you if it's good to go or not to be delivered to the inbox. So this thing is pretty cool. And like I say, it's included with the funnel builder. And another thing cool about the this opportunity is they pay a portion of their profits. They pay to feed children around the world. So not only are you getting a great system, but helping provide meals to kids around the world. And then you can see this opportunity's paid a lot of commissions already. But anyway, go ahead and click the link below and check this thing out. This thing is amazing. There's so much stuff in here. There's a lot of tons of training for this funnel builder, and this thing is great. This is a great community. And also, you see here Sage, the AI assistant. She's also over here. She's a chat AI robot. And she pretty much answer any questions you have. So when you click the link below, go to the opt in and go to the sales page, you'll see her over in the corner. You can just talk to her, ask her anything. Okay, that's it for now. Tony Kelly. Hope to see you inside.